Ever wondered how Tesla builds thousands of cars with almost no human hands? Inside Tesla's gigafactories, robots do almost everything, from welding to painting to final assembly. The process starts with massive aluminum rolls, shaped into car frames in seconds. Robotic arms move in perfect sync, guided by AI and real-time sensors. Even the batteries and motors are assembled by machines with micro-level precision. Humans just monitor screens, stepping in only when needed. This isn't science fiction, it's Tesla's real-world manufacturing magic.